Okay, and welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And for you today, I have literally 5 ingredient pork chops. That's it. 5 ingredients. 6 if you want to get technical and be a smartass. In this bowl is everything you need. It's 2 tablespoons of flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic salt, a teaspoon of pepper, and you'll also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil or whatever oil you prefer. And you'll see why in a minute. You can easily double this recipe if you want to make more pork chops. I think I made this for 4 or 6. And so yeah, easily doubled. Like I said, there's just 5 goddamn ingredients. That's it. All right. So as you can see here, I'm breading the pork chops in the flour mix, shaking off any excess. You want it kind of evenly coated in the flour mix as possible. Okay, and in a pan with that oil that we were talking about, I chose a cast iron pan. You want to crank up the heat to about medium high for about 60 seconds or so, and you just want to get a good type of sear on these pork chops. And then you want to crank that motherfucker down to medium low, because as we all know, pork does not like heat. So, there we go. And let's give these about 6 to 8 minutes to cook, flipping as needed. Alright, as you can see, these are cooking away, and basically you want to just make sure they're cooked to 165 internally, and then we'll be ready for serving. And once they're done, put them on a plate, and that's that. 5 ingredient pork chops. Done.